Hi, I'm Kaylee Voigt, and I am the first Guest Waffle Boss, and we are here at Hampton by Hilton to showcase the peach cobbler waffle. First, you're going to get the cup of batter. Open up your waffle iron, and we're going to pour on the batter. We'll close her up and give it a spin. Now we wait. I live in Michigan, and I went peach picking. You're going to have a million peaches. I was making peach cobblers every day, and you know, peach cobbler is kind of everything that you want in a waffle, so if we could just combine that, that's perfect. That was my inspiration. It feels surreal to walk into a Hampton by Hilton and see my peach cobbler waffle displayed. I'm so excited. It's a dream come true. Here we go. And then we'll top it. Really make sure that you get the peaches in those waffle divots. We'll do some crumble to sprinkle over the top, and then you cannot forget the whipped cream. Pivotal. It's a perfect combination.